Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing because as you can tell my old GPU is an R7 250X with about 2 gigs and it does not have enough RAM to run DaVinci. So what I did was I ordered this refurbished RX580 with 8 gigs and it just got delivered. So let's see how the packaging goes, okay? Let me open it up. Alright, so let's take it out of the package. It's refurbished, so it doesn't come in its own packet. It's just in a cardboard FedEx box. But it's in nice bubble wrap, so it looks okay there. So let's undo the bubble wrap. This is a gigabyte unit. At least that's what the Newegg advertisement said. And it was about $89, I think, from Hong Kong. So let's see, it comes in a nice little seal, and so let's take a look. So I didn't want to buy an off-brand, so this is why I picked this one, and let's see what it looks like. There we go. And there it is. Okay, with the ports, it's still got the covers on it, and so I'm hoping it's going to run my third display as well, and the software. So they got nice covers on the pins. Looks like that. They all look pretty clean and good. They got, like I said, they got covers on all the ports on the back. So, and it looks very clean. So let's give it a shot. Here is the model number, serial number. So it's kind of old looking though. I'm not gonna lie, it looks old, but it should be. It's an old card, right? But as long as it runs everything, I'll be happy. So let's take the case off, and then we'll pop the old card out. Alright, here's my old card. It's an Asus. It looks pretty nice compared to the new card, just a little bit bigger. It'll take the same slots and the same, so hopefully it'll go in without issue, and hopefully do this now. Let's put it into that space right over there, okay? Alright, so I have it in there, it's running, and here's the basic profile. So it is 8 gigs of DDR5, and so this is basic. I'm going to download the software and see if we can go from there and get it to actually, you know, come out with the right the graphics. Alright, I went to the Gigabyte website, put in the 8 gig and downloading the drivers, and hopefully this is the right one. So let's give it a shot. That's the one it's installing, the Adrenaline edition. Alright, got the successful install, got the Adrenaline installed, and now we're looking at DaVinci because that's what I want to run as my video editing software. So I'm checking right now to see if it will run the Resolve, because it wouldn't run on 2 gigs, but hopefully the 8 gigs will make it work so I can use it as an editing tool. And what's that? Let's update the configuration. That was from the last time. Okay, and let's see if it will work, and then we'll start using this software for it. I mean, it's loading, so it's better than before. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. On the works side, it actually loaded it. Okay. Well, so and I guess it found it from somewhere. All right. So I'll update the software, and hopefully this will work now with this $89 GPU, and then someday in the future maybe I'll build a newer rig to actually you know, as a video editing rig with a better CPU and graphics card and the whole shebang, because I don't really play games. I just needed to edit these videos for y'all. So as far as the new GPU install, there you go, guys. All updated. Use the AMD site, not the Gigabyte site, and everything seems to be okay and it's functional. And have to close this to update it, and then hopefully, it'll all work, and then I can keep editing videos for you all, and we can keep showing you, new things that we're doing. So other than that, have a great day, guys. Thank you for subscribing, and hope you enjoy another video here. Take care. Bye now.